Hi, there are two types of installers. First one is 32-bit installer file, and other is 64-bit installer file of Blender software. If you have Windows 32-bit installed on your PC, then you will install Blender 2.78 Windows 32-bit version. If you have Windows 64-bit installed on your PC, then you will install Blender 2.78 Windows 64-bit version. If you do not know what type of Windows is installed on your PC, so what will you do? Left-click on this search button on taskbar. Type System. Under Setting, click on this System option. In front of you, this screen appears. This is the information of operating system, which is installed on your PC. You can see Windows 10 Professional version is installed on this PC. This is 64-bit operating system. Left-click on this cross button. Because Windows 10 Professional 64-bit is installed on this PC, so I shall install 64-bit version of Blender software. Double-click on this 64-bit installer. There appears this screen. Welcome to the Blender Setup Wizard. Left-click on this Next button. Read these terms and conditions. Left-click on this checkbox to accept license agreement. Press this Next button. By default, Blender software is installed on this location. Click on this Next button. Click on this Install button. Now Blender software will install on this PC. If there appears this dialog box, User Account Control. Do you want to allow this app from unknown publisher to make changes to your PC? Because we want to install Blender software on PC, so click on this Yes button. Now Blender software is being installed on PC. Installation of this Blender app is completed. Click on Finish button. Minimize this windows. Shortcut of Blender app is created on desktop. Double-click on this Blender shortcut. Now Blender software is loading in memory of PC. This is first look of Blender software. This is the splash screen of Blender software. Left-click on this splash screen. This is the screen of Blender software. This is the interface of Blender software. Press Alt F11 to maximize this Blender screen.